reaction, and we get a polymer that's got benzenes hanging off the chain. All right, so this will be in. You'll see more polymer science toward the end of the class. Well, you can put in a small percentage of a styrene with a sulfonic acid on it, and then every now and then our polymer, every now and again, will have a sulfonic acid on it. So take styrene, 4-sulfonyl styrene, polymerize these, and you're going to end up with a polymer bead that's got a whole bunch of sulfonic acids on it. All right, more than 3. I just don't want to draw that many. And you'll see these beads today. They look like little plastic pellets because they're little plastic pellets. They don't dissolve really in anything. They don't dissolve in water. They don't dissolve in your organic solvent. And so what you can do then is you can take your reaction mixture, take your reagents, and then instead of dumping in HCl or para-toluene sulfonic acid, you dump in this little plastic bead that's got acid on it. Stir it around for a while, heat it up. The acid does its job, right? Because it's on the surface. Molecules can come down and react with it. And then you just filter the bead off. The way, instead of having to do an aqueous workup, the acid is constrained onto these little plastic beads. So you just filter off the plastic beads. You've got now a solution of reagents and products. You rotovap that down. Or today, instead of rotovapping, we're crystallizing it. We're letting it precipitate. And there you go, you have product. So it's very important you pull this bead out before you solidify your product. Otherwise, the beads and the product will all be mixed up together. This technique is used for a lot of things. Acid catalysts are really good. You've probably read about automated DNA and protein synthesis. That's mostly done on solid beads now. So you can put an electrophile out here and you can have nucleophiles displace it, and now you've got your reagents bonded to the bead. So this type of chemistry is really important. Okay, so again, check out these notes, work in pairs, set the hot plate to 100 degrees, use Dowex if you can find it, and get help from the TA on making a pipette filter. And that's it.